Hello everyone, my name is Deepak Gaur and you're watching Cook with Deepak. So this is a very quick recipe which my mom invented when I used to own a restaurant. Unfortunately, I had to close that because I couldn't get enough time from my work, which I still do because I work in the IT industry. IT industry how they work. Everything is a big issue. So when we closed the restaurant, there was lots of stock was there for food items, and one of them was the rajma. So we have to finish those kind of stock. Equipment we sold to some other people, but the food items we cannot just sell them. We sort of gave them to our relatives, but how much you can give. What my mom did was she used to make a rajma chawal around alternative days, and we were all so sick of it. So if anybody asked me today if I have to eat a rajma chawal, I would definitely say no. And it's been almost 2 or 3 years maybe. So what she did is she invented a recipe which is rajma ki pakodi. So let's get started. So what we have is here is potato and onion chopped roughly, and then we have our main ingredient, red kidney beans, or you can say it is a beans. They were soaked overnight, and we are using that. And there is also a green chili is also involved. So the green chilies you can have as much as you want, because these are something which you cannot measure, because every green chili which you find in your area has different set of hotness in them. So when I used to live in Kolkata, they have this Lonka red green chilies, so they are super hot. So what we are going to do is we are going to blend this and make this into a paste, and then we will use it to make a batter. So guys, you have to make sure that you add some little water here, because after all it will be very dry. So don't add the water up front. Add very little water whenever it is required. So this kind of a paste we are looking for. It's very fine, and if there are some few pieces of beans are there, it's okay, and it will be cooked when we will fry them. So what we have to do is we add this and potato and onion, and then we will use a ground flour, which is besan, and then we will make a batter of this one. Okay, and our potato, and this is, I made my hand dirty, but it's okay. So what I'm adding is 1 large teaspoon of rajma masala, salt to taste, some coriander powder, around half tablespoon of garam masala, add around 2 tablespoons of oil, around 1 tablespoon of amchur or dry mango powder, a little bit of red chili powder, so it just to add that particular flavor of red chilies. So now we have mixed our batter. So what we have to do is just make simple pakodi from it. So I will not show you how to make pakodis. I will just show you the end result. You can try this on your own. So this is different way of cooking something, and always remember the gram flour, the besan, is basically a binding agent in this particular mix. So don't add too much of a gram flour in it, because if you add too much of that, it will become a different set of pakodi. So that's why stick to the large quantity of beans, low quantity of gram flour. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and I hope I see you in my restaurant soon. I don't know when I can open it, but if all I need is your support. If something I learned from my work experience is there is no good or bad feedback. It's all feedback. Whether you make it as a good or a bad, it depends on you. So don't forget to comment your thoughts on this recipe or on my previous recipe. Till then, enjoy my previous recipes wherever they are hanging as of now, and don't forget to subscribe.